If the user has rolled both a pair and a three of a kind, then they have received a full house, resulting in 25 points. Add an if, add an if to check if both has three of a kind and is that how you use and? I don't know. Uh, and has pair are true. Okay, wait, perhaps like that. If so, call. If so, if these both are true, call the function update radio option and pass in number 2 and 25 as arguments. Of course, we have an error. Has 3 of a kind, has 3 of a kind. I'm gonna copy paste this one. Has pair. Oh, let's get rid of this. Perhaps we don't need to explicitly say they are both true because we are already checking if both are true or not. So that would be it. Nice.